In this video, I'm going to show you the one thing that most PlayStation users do wrong when using their new PS5 for the very first time, because it turns out this common mistake ended up costing one PlayStation user over $200 in repair bills. And had they simply known all about this before it happened, it could have saved them a lot of money. The number one thing that most PlayStation 5 users do wrong is, believe it or not, inserting the game disc in the wrong direction. Chances are that if you have a PS5, then you've most likely done this by accident at some point in time. It happens when you insert a game disc in the wrong direction and the PlayStation cannot effectively read the disc itself, leading the user to believe that the disc drive is broken. In fact, this is exactly what happened to a certain Reddit user who ended up sending their PS5 to Sony, paying a service fee, only to find out they were actually inserting the disc upside down the whole time. As crazy as it sounds, this actually happened, and the full story will be linked in the description box below. But as a reminder, I recommend following these steps so you do not end up in a bad situation. The correct way to place a disc in the PS5 is to always make sure that the game's disc label is facing the power and eject buttons on the console. Simply checking this before you put the game in will save you from any issues. You can even place the console horizontally if you constantly find yourself doing this by accident. But in the event this does happen to you, the solution is actually quite simple. Do not press the eject button right away. Instead, wait just a few minutes until the PS5 realizes the disc is unreadable, and then press the eject button. If your PlayStation refuses to eject the disc, I recommend restarting the system and trying again. Worst case scenario, you can always manually remove the disc by using the hidden ejector and a Phillips screwdriver. But in most situations, simply waiting for the disc to stop spinning and then pressing the eject button should allow the disc to come right out with no problems. Now you know exactly what to do if you accidentally put your PS5 disc inside the console the wrong direction. And hopefully this video will prevent other users from making the same mistake. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.